This is the letter U. This is how you write U. The sound of the letter U is A.
It is raining, but I have an umbrella. I stay dry under the umbrella. Look at the children run. They don't want to get wet. I like to jump in the puddles.
The words uncle, under, umbrella begin with the letter U. You can also hear the sound of U in jump, up and puddle. Remember, the sound of U is A.